Yo mwancho murigiriro Getembe TV niritukoneria Jumatano chitariki 20 na Isano nemo Chinsa ni Isano na Ibere Isano na Ibere Nyaboga mwancho murigiriria na mange aberiga kwendekiwa kurubwaga kiete wekira Chinsa chigane na monori tuko twarorire ase chipara chaito aboro kigwa bare kurwa chiskuru bakogenda Chinsobo asumutumukomoke gose half time angeye weekend mukionga Chinsa Isano na Ibere senchira yo wenye ngomanye gati ayari abariki baitu bamangana batumanyire kuraswa peka chikambi chabo chinsemo ao iminaiske yagusi nchengatire Nyaboga kuisona makori croissance meri manyerere kanansa ite weke obe na into ikomwere mono umutimo komo kyagose half time bene nigo abaibori nabo igo ababwatani korwase chipara babori we kwa maiso nabo igasa abaibori basemi kosemia abana babo anene mono chinga kechiga bari ase chirusa gokwana na Getembe nigo igati abaibori bemurunganire agokonga kubugima ase bono baboririe serikali kobororobera igati yechibango chiri abako nachwa
Samalieta yankoro kufelista kuamboka njeno menya biasara keroka gaiga ngo kole biasara byako ni chibagi igaige chira se myake menga ono ngo tebya abana baito bali babungite chiskuruga moba abana bako igwera abaiboli amwana ndo bwanse ko igwera moiboli na ne skuru ni garo mungaini
Zangoro kudomnik babu munyakero bo masaba not boda boda na ande nde coordinator ya Nyanza region amangana ita sector ya boda boda na algo saba baiboli na banafunzi chingageje baro mutimoko mwenge bo half time mbaswana ne biasara ebya boda boda na abaiboli balenda abana babo ebiasara ebya boda boda mbibwata matemo umwana wanzi wasoire biasara ebwonjire kibeza koja korwo ne getiro igona abaiboli na intumuna stakeholder nabagambi naba chief na security matokonye
aiga obogima bwatokongeire no nyango kole biasara kende nkeyo muna bana nkwara chipagiri tukaseri tuko nanya koni no ene ya me wiki yaera wacha kwanu gosana kama Jumapili kwamanya kolia kwa kama kwani e wiki inande kaera obogima bwa kongire ense ya kongire bana ndoro chia stogo itagochi ga kia serikali na ini tigago tobebyo musigo monene toguswerio musigo bibaga bantu bao bakolera abantu bakolera kera kona
Riga togoskabosyo nigo muraiwense agendrete netaro yaye asorogongoro akos etaro anene mono yokoro totegeti ya magendro nabo igo gochakia emerobiri ya magendro ase orogongoro akos ritukoria kanerera nigo muraiwense arase county ya Kilifi asachakia gosasare gochakia emerobiri ya magendro anene mono obwagachi wechinyomba cha magoria inse nabo igo okobeka chistima ose achakia murobiri okobeka chistima gocha ase binyoro kwane mambia rero keracha murobiro boko na nestima uchase binyoro muraiwe nsateba nige kirenge kenegyo kubeka chistima no korabya igatie binyoro asense ya itu ya Kenya na boigo korosera basae amabaga
Rais ndio ameweza kuidhinisha gari za uvigelegele shangwe tafadhali tumpigie makofi mheshimiwa rais ndio hizo gari hiyo ikiwa ni ya Kenya Power
Mine tumepatia watu wa Kilifi County shilingi bilioni 2 kuunganisha manyumba ya wananchi katika sehemu tofauti tofauti, manyumba 20,000. Tutaongeza mambo ya stima ifike kwa manyumba ya wananchi wengi zaidi. Internet ama kazi ya digital jobs ndio tuzalishe nafasi za ajira, vijana wetu wapate kujisimamia, ndio Kenya iweze kwenda mbele, vijana wakichangia katika kusukuma msukumo wa taifa letu la Kenya kwenda mbele. Vijana muko? Umenisikia my friends? Sasa wewe sikia bwana. Umesikia hapa pia leo hii mimi naenda kuanzisha hapa ile mradi wa mambo ya affordable housing. Hiyo affordable housing hapa Kilifi awamu ya kwanza tunajenga nyumba 5,000 na tunahitaji vijana karibu 5,000 wa kufanya hiyo kazi. Wale plumbers, electricians, wale wote ambao wanafanya surveyor, wale wengine wote, kina mama, wazee, kila mtu wajumuike katika kazi hiyo. tuachane na siasa ya migawanyiko na chuki na ukabila. Tuachane naye, tuungane, ndio tukabiliane na matatizo na changamoto ya taifa letu tukiwa sote pamoja. Tuwe na nguvu ya kutosha kusukuma msukumo wa kubadilisha uchumi wa taifa letu la Kenya, kuzalisha ajira, kuunganisha stima, kujenga mabarabara, kuhakikisha kwamba vijana wetu wanapata ajira. Hiyo ndio ya muhimu kwetu sote kama viongozi.
Riria tutigarite ase kaunti ya Kilifi egatia barai na boiga ba waziri kure serikali bari baikirana gose bari barengeno murai wense ase kaunti ya Kilifi nigo ba mwako boko na komotogi murai wense ase gasi ayengi agendete okora ase bono mukonyi bo murai wense ya Kenya umuske professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki nere atogi murai wense asokora ase serikali yabo mona boigo kobeke getambukiro kyo kurigeria abasai amabaga
ni wake mkuu Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga, kwa sababu siasa imekwisha. Na sasa timu yetu ni timu kubwa, inaitwa timu ya mapana na marefu, broad based administration. Tuko pale sisi zote, tuko pale na Joho na Mngaro na Amina Mnyazi na viongozi wote waliokuwa mirengo tofauti, ili nchi yetu iwe na umoja, ili tupate maendeleo ya haraka. So as we are creating jobs for our young people in the country, out of the country, through the ICT digital jobs, anywhere we can find a job, we will create a job for the people of Kenya. And finally, we need to stand united as a country. Elections come once every 5 years. In between elections, we have a moment and time to unite and build our country.
Wote, pasipo na mirengo ya kisiasa, pasipo na migawanyiko ya kabila, amehakikisha tuko kitu kimoja, tuko timu Kenya. Kwa hivyo mimi nawauliza wananchi, wakati rais anaendelea na juhudi ya kuunganisha, tumuunge mkono ili nchi yetu iweze kuwa na uthabiti wa maendeleo na
tunaanza na usawa wa maendeleo, baadaye tunatafuta usawa wa kisiasa, ama sivyo? Mimi nasema hivi, hii pwani nikipima kule mbele, nikiangalia mbali, tukifanya kazi na William Ruto leo, tumunge mkono leo, tumshikililie afanyie kazi wa Kenya, hata yeye kesho atutuangalia na huruma. Si namna hiyo? Si tujipange kama wapwani? Nyinyi hamtaki siku moja kutoa rais hapa?
Mwanche murigereria togoska bosio ni ngari tukoria rero gose mambia rero muwaziri bwo chenu umusko musubati Debra Barasa aika bose bwibunge senate bunenchira ya moyo kwiraniria maborio igoro yo murobiro moya bokoena nabo bwene gocha saba roire murobiro shaka kwana asbose bwibunge yu ni go musike Barasa airere gati ya makongo ari murobiro yu obeire kogotera.
Key challenges that we have faced as a ministry is ensuring that the drugs reach the last mile and ensuring that we have accessibility to essential medicines. And under the UHC, that is the Taifa Care, we are really working tirelessly to ensure that, first of all, we have recapitalization of medicines in KEMSA, and again, that they are reaching the last mile, that is to the facilities up to level 2 and 3 for accessibility by patients. Now, what we have talked about and we are really ensuring that we implement is that SHA will pay, the counties will, SHA will, after the counties have requested, what will happen is SHA will pay directly for medicines before the money is released to counties. That is, when they receive the money from from the claims, part of the areas, apart from ensuring that they are paying the claims, they will ensure that medicines are also withdrawn from that money, and that way before the money is released to the county. So it is an area that we are looking into together with SHA to ensure that we are paying up for the medicines before the rest of the money is released. And that way we want to ensure that KEMSA is routinely recapitalized, it has resources, it has essential medicines to be able to supply at county level. I don't know if I've made sense.
Tumurigereria tutigerite gabu ase bunge senate omo senate abwe county ya Kisii moske moima bwanyonga oyo inge ase geikarekyo nere niga mocho morobiro shana chief asate abatori gukora mirimo buno ganire yengorengana nebirengerero by'abakenya sebono aborire bunge ya senate korigereria buya omorobiro sha onya tori gochiguikerania amaganyo buno ganire osenya tori gochigokora abakenya mirobiro ire ganire bachikoyotenina nabairane aso morobiro mokoro morobiro ire bwenge o NHIF.
Mr. Speaker, the majority leader has pronounced himself. I believe that this discussion that we are having in this house is futile. It's an exercise in futility. Because the questions we have are close to 30. Like me, I've not even asked her who are the owners of the financial platform. You know, she's insisting that the Shah and Chief are working. The reality is that everybody in our republic is talking about how that system doesn't work. In fact, I even want her to explain to me why NHIF was removed from providing the basic services. We knew that NHIF had issues of corruption and mismanagement in terms of the payments which were being, we knew all that. But you see, Mr. Speaker, what has happened is, I see the CS really struggling. Can I make a special request? Because I had the majority leader make a contribution, and indeed, the speaker who left before you came in did not pronounce himself what we need to do. I believe that this matter cannot be interrogated on the floor of the House. Maybe we need to have it in committee so that we can spend even a whole day to run through the figures, to ask those critical questions, because everything I hear here, Mr. Speaker, is like this whole exercise is just a confusion and a rearrangement of things which I don't even understand. And Mr. Speaker, I'm not very literate. I'm averagely somebody who's been to school. So can we, as a Senate, ask the CS so that she can go and prepare herself, so that she can bring we go through this with a tooth comb, so that once and for all, we may be able to decide, is it working or it's not?
Rigereria totigereta sensemi yobo chenu anene mono inse omorobirio sha nigobo no ensemo se nigobo sha yana nire shiringi chipirioni sano nugutemo gochia aseri shirika riria NHIF una enchira yamo yokobakana edeniai yengorengana no mokonyi bo munyakiro gobwe kyomkirigasha omoske Robert Ingarisa.
Shared with them my experience at the AU during the campaign. And I've told them that
the NHIF, we were operating both manually and in the system. When you have manual operations, then you expect that some reconciliation has to take place before you can agree on the amounts. So what we are simply saying, and which even the providers accept, that there is need for us to go through the claims that for one reason or the other were returned to them, purposes of ascertaining their completeness and being able to add them to the total bill. We'll agree on how to fast track the issue of reconciling the NHIF claims. So this meeting is going to happen on Thursday. So we wish to clarify that the government does not owe RUFA the Kenya shillings 30 billion as asserted. RUFA facilities will receive training on claim management and to improve accuracy of claim submission and prevent delays. RUFA facilities have been trained on accessing claims through the online dashboard, enabling them to track their payments efficiently. And I want to add that these trainings are ongoing. We have scheduled trainings and we also offer trainings to facilities or associations on request.
Morigereria togoskavosio kurwa sensemeri ya siasa nigo bono mu prime minister mukuru wensi ya Kenya moske Raila Odinga nera tebire nigo arache gutangaza musimamo yo gisiasa mapema eiki egocha yemagega yokobuwa asobochari bokorigo bunyakirogo ase kiombekirikia AUC ase bono atebire nigo arache gukora ebikaro na baraye kurwa chinsemo chonse gose chinsinyo chonse ya Kenya bunenchire yamo yo gusangiria maoni erio bosio bogotangaza umusimamo yoye.
Shared with them my experience at the AU during the campaign, And I've told them that that chapter is now behind us. Now we're moving forward. After talking to the elders, I came to meet with the youth leaders here. It's going to be confined to Nyanza or this part of Nyanza. I will be talking to leadership from Kisii, from Western, from the coast, from the Rift Valley, from Eastern, from Northeastern, from Central, all over the country. Say that I will make a statement sometimes next week. And I want just to tell you here also that watch this space. I'm going to make a statement next week.
Wancho morigereria togo chigokora nigo bona kiambikiri kya bochone chimbe kya IEBC yatebire nigo keganetie chibesa chishiringi chibirioni 40 gusegwetane chishiringi chibirioni 50 nomo ere ko erobira bosibo bochorio bonene bo mwaka 2027 eje magegaje bya mabinde bibere kwementa aseki osekwereke aseki ombekyo na kuikia ebya mebyo koba 90 na bibere.
According to our requirement of around 6.7 million. So it's not adequate. The cost of the KIMS kit on this document 7 billion. 7 billion. Yes, this also includes support licenses, but the kit is about 500,000 the last time. In 500,000? No, sorry, $500. Sorry. Or $500? Yes, sorry. Thank you. Which is about 150? Yes. 1,000 Kenya shillings. No, about 65,000.
We Alliance Party. They are abbreviated as TWAP. Yeah, we then have another one called the Citizen. So I think Citizen Congress Party, DCP.
Wancho morigereria ayamana yanda mange ninchi kwira naga igasemese Ekeonga chigwe Chinsa ikomi ngomanye asenchira yo wenge nchengatire Nyaboga Wilson Makori na twarengenere kroasensemeri manyererio tumerane Chinsa chikomi korende genda kubwata nabo yogo chengera imirobiri ya Getembe TV ekogochira sembyo asegika getari Getambe.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi. Eduka ya wabomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi mense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao ndabondo mbabwata chirangi cyo wakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentra nibwa amabuta